Hi, Karen.
Hi.
We're on the monorail.
We're on the monorail.
Where are you going, Karen?
Kingdom.
We're going to Magic Kingdom. Why are we going to Magic Kingdom for?
A date night.
A date night. I love date nights with you. And that's right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at...
Married. Oh.
We are married too, but we are at Animal Kingdom. No.
Whoa.
We're at Magic Kingdom.
And we're here.
Hi, friends. Date night. We're at date night at Magic Kingdom. We're gonna go ride some rides. We got some fast passes.
It's later in the day, and it's Monday, which is usually like a busy day for Magic Kingdom because a lot of holidays or vacations start out and then they want to go to Magic Kingdom first. So we're gonna see how busy it is, but we don't care because we're just here to have a good time.
Good times. Let's go.
I'm happy to be here with you guys. Let's go. How happy are you to be back?
I love Magic Kingdom. I'm very happy to be at here. I'm actually happy right now because we're going to go to Pirates of the Caribbean to hit up our 5:30 Fast Pass.
Maybe they still have your magic band.
But we're about to come into Tomorrowland to hit our Fast Pass up. Where's my Magic Band? Can't believe I lost my Magic Band on Pirates of the Caribbean somewhere. Whatever.
So we just went and we took a magical photo. It's the one in front of the castle where it does like a really quick zoom in on you and then it zooms out and you see everything. It's really cool. I'm not gonna put it in on the video, but I am gonna put it on Instagram. Karen Gone Rogue on Instagram, and you can see that photo. But anyways, we're gonna leave here. We're gonna go off to Adventureland and take on some pirates.
Karen. We just got done with Pirates of the Caribbean. That was one of our fast passes. Love that ride. It's awesome.
Yeah, it's always a good time.
These are one of those rides that I have to ride every time I come to Magic Kingdom because I've ridden it every time.
Yeah.
Just gotta keep on going.
Mine's Space Mountain.
I like it. That's a good one too.
I think we might be riding that one later.
Let's go check out something else now, though.
We're just kind of having just a nice little date night. We're not really having to ride anything.
We're just kind of wandering around. Exactly. Just having fun.
I think when we saw it, I guess.
We just saw an alligator.
I want to tell you one of my biggest fears is alligators, and that alligator is literally right next to
Splash Mountain. Yeah, it was just like right over there.
like,
Right in the corner, just like chilling.
Baby alligator, and I'm like, oh my god, where's its mom? We stopped over here at the Friar's Nook, and they're known for their tachos. So we really wanted the loaded onion rings, but that place was closed. But we got these loaded buffalo tachos, and they didn't have any forks. So we're using spoons.
I've been having bad luck with forks lately. Like I couldn't find any at Universal. Yeah.
So it's got blue cheese dressing, buffalo chicken tots, and celery. I like celery. I don't think you like celery.
I don't like celery, but go ahead.
Very blue cheese heavy. So if you don't like blue cheese, don't get these. But the buffalo sauce is not very hot. And I like hot. This is very mild. This is something my friend Sumner would be okay with.
Is it good?
It's very good. You want to try it?
Yep. You're right about the blue cheese though. Heavy on blue cheese, but I like blue cheese, so it was really good to me. I would definitely get these again. Great snack.
Our fast pass time window just came up for Haunted Mansion. We're gonna head back that way to go ride that. And then Ashley really wants to ride, or he really wants to watch Hall of Presidents.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and do that.
All right, let's go do that.
So we just got done at the Haunted Mansion. It's always a great It's always a great ride. However, it is very busy here and tensions run a little high. And we just had somebody give us tude.
Dude, like we're trying to like cattle into the Haunted Mansion,
Yeah.
and she was like, I'm like, thank you.
It was just that when you're going in, you're being funneled in, and we were trying to get on the conveyor belt to get on the ride, and we were waiting for our ride to come up, and she was not happy that we were waiting for our ride.
Whatever.
But
I hope
it's
she has
alright.
a great Disney day.
I hope she has a Disney day. If you don't know what that is, I'll put it on the screen.
The screen.
With that aside, we are gonna head over to
The Hall of Presidents.
President.
I haven't done it in forever, and I think it'd be really fun to go do. So we just got done with the Hall of Presidents. What'd you think, Karen?
I really want a nap.
What, a nap?
It was okay.
Yeah, it was okay. I think I almost fell asleep.
I'm surprised you didn't.
But we, you know, we had to do it. Whoop, they're scared.
So pretty.
Keeping your hands, feet, and legs
Transit
inside
Authority
your
People
car.
Mover. Oh, we're at the end.
Oh yeah. We're on the People Mover.
You can preview many of the exciting places you'll want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow.
Wheelchairs must transfer into a rocket to participate.
We're in line for Space Mountain. Happily Ever After is going on behind us. We're going to go ahead and beat the crowds and we're leaving. So we're going to end the video here. We hope that you've had a fun date night with us.
I've had a fun night. I had a good night. It was fun. We had to ride three rides.
3 rides.
We had
spend
fast
time
passes.
together.
It was good to spend time and hang out. Oh. There's the fireworks. That's cool.
All right, friends. We'll see you next time.
To the next adventure.
Bye.